Make that belly into jelly.
That's what I needed. That feels amazing.
Did you feel it go all the way down?
Oh, yeah. Oh, this is what you guys need. That's nice.
So you told me a chiropractor told you that doesn't do anything, huh?
Yes.
Did it feel like it didn't do anything?
Oh, no, that feels like it did everything I needed. Felt all through my neck, all the way down to my lower back. And now, just trying to regroup my thoughts.
Still kicking, especially the fiance watching. See, still kicking.
Should be excited to see this. So I'm 6 feet now, right?
There you go.
All right. Just the release is what I really needed. Yeah, I feel good.